Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, today I'm going to show you to remove a turbocharger on an '05 Subaru Outback XT. Unfortunately, I have to remove the turbocharger again because the turbocharger that was supposedly bigger and supposedly performed better doesn't spool fast enough to make significant boost. So I ordered another turbocharger called a TO4E, and this is it. TO4E, I've already prepared everything, put the oil return line on, the cooling line here, and the cooling line there. There's a little compressor right there, and turbine flange. And there's the actual turbine. Spin it. There's the wastegate. Should always be in the closed position. And all right. First step to get the turbocharger off is lift the car up and put it on jack stands, which I have done. There you go. You put the jack stands on the frame. See the frame? There's the jack stands. There's my nice downpipe. Second step, remove this clamp and pull the hose to drain all the coolant into a bucket. And when you get done with that, then put the coolant in some old coolant containers. Therefore, you got it out of the way so no animals can go and drink the coolant that you spill. So you get all the coolant and you put them in some gallon containers, put them in the back of the vehicle, and that's the first few steps to remove the turbocharger. As you can see, there's quite a few things to do to remove the turbocharger. I'll summarize it pretty quick before I do everything. You remove the intercooler bolts there. You remove another bolt back there. You unplug the blow-off valve. You undo the intercooler hose, which is right there. Undo the intercooler hose, pull the intercooler off. You can also take those two bolts off too. Remove that bolt to get the fuel hoses out of the way. And you're going to remove all the intake manifold bolts to get those out of the way so you can get room for your turbocharger inlet pipe, the compressor inlet pipe. With the manifold in place, it's really hard to get to the clamp. So you remove this, your coolant hoses. You remove the turbo's downpipe, which is right here. You remove the oil supply line. You loosen the turbo's bolts. And you pull up on the turbocharger and remove it. Well, this is just a quick summary, but I'm going to do short videos on the whole process of removing the turbocharger. So this is part one of quite a few parts. I'm going to do pretty much 1-minute videos on what to remove until the turbocharger is removed. Then we'll put the new one in. And you guys have a great weekend and all that good stuff, and take care. More to follow.